Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen today. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for all my viewer watchers. Haven't subscribed and wonder how to subscribe? That's all you have to do is hit that bell, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving. Hope I've been getting back to them the best to my knowledge. Mr. Bell got some nice videos out there if you just start watching. Also, you can cook the food, the recipes that Mr. Bell doing on the stove, in the oven, or the Power XL. Mostly I use the Power XL. I use the stove, the oven, and outside I cook. So today I'll be doing something different than the Power XL. Today I'll be serving some figs. I haven't did no figs in this Power XL as a nice dessert. When I was young, my mom used to make some nice fig dessert, eat it with some tea cakes or biscuits or some bread. We used to have it for dessert after dinner and everything. As you see, I got some nice figs. I brought these right here from Sam's Club and everything. They looked nice. I haven't seen none in a while. So I say, I'm gonna make some dessert today and I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel and everything. So everyone get an idea. Like I'm saying, I cook in the Power XL in an oven. You could cook these on the stove the same way. So I'm gonna use the Power XL today. Today I have about 18 of these nice purple figs right here. And I'm using a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of butter. I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon in it and a teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon cinnamon, and I'm just gonna slice them up like this. But first of all, before I start doing all that, I'm gonna start this Power XL for all my first time viewers. What I'm fitting to cook today, I cannot use the top. For the ones that struggling with the top, don't know how to take the top off, that's all you have to do. 1, 2, lift up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this to the side right now because I won't be using it. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on simmer. It's on simmer and my temperature gonna be for 205. I'm gonna set that. And I'm gonna just set it for like 20 minutes. I might not use all them 20 minutes, so I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes. And I'm gonna press start, but as you see, it's gonna be circulating. So I'll probably be done with my product before it stops circulating, but I'm gonna be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my butter in so it can be melting nice and good. Just drop it in just like that and let it cook. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna take my figs. As you see, it's nice and good. And I'm just gonna cut them open just like this. See how good that look? Now that's some nice good figs right there. And I'm just gonna leave them in halves. You can leave it in halves, you can leave it whole, or you can cut it up to 4. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do it in half. I'm just gonna cut them in half. You just get them like that and cut them in half just like that. And I'm just take my time and just cut it just like that. This is the way it'll be, like just like that. As you see, they're coming out real good. I haven't had none in a very long time. So I said, I'm gonna test this out today and see how it come out. And see if the family like it too. It's looking nice and good. And I'm just gonna slice these up right just like that. As you see, they looking nice. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna slice them all up. Okay, this butter is melting nice and good and everything, and they haven't stopped circulating. When you're doing certain things in the Power XL while circulating and everything, I can still put it in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna, as you see, the figs is nice and good and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just squeeze just a little bit of this lemon in there, just like that. See how nice and good that is? Just like that. Give it that nice good, let it have that nice good little watery in it and everything. And also have that nice taste to it. So I'm gonna stir that up while the butter is still melting and everything. Stir that up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put my little nutmeg in there. I'm gonna just shake that in there just like that. That way get everything nice and good. Just like that. I'm gonna stir that up. Get it nice, good. Mix these two up, get it nice and good and everything. So, now I'm gonna put my cup of brown sugar in there. Just like this. Just put that in there like that. And this right here is gonna be so delicious. And you know, later on I'm gonna put a little water. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. What I'm gonna do, like, I'm gonna put the camera, you wouldn't see my face, but you will see what's cooking in this Power XL. How these figs is gonna be cooking and everything, make that nice good dessert and everything. Mr. Bell will be tasting it and see how it come out and everything. Yeah, it's coming out nice and good. As you see, that favorite, just like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the camera up just a little bit closer. As you see, it's nice. It's sizzling and everything. It's looking good. Looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add just a little more lemon in there, just like that. Loosen it up just a little. That's looking nice and good. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my figs in now. As you see, these figs is nice and good. And I'm gonna just pour them in just like that. And I'm gonna stir this up and let it get all over them and everything. And I'm gonna, yes, just like that. This right here is gonna be a nice, good dessert today. You can do it on the stove, off the stove, however you want to cook them. But today, Mr. Bell doing this in a Power XL. Let this get nice and good. Simmer. As you see, they looking nice. Nice and good. Just like that. And I'm gonna let this sit for a while. And I'll probably be setting this top on it pretty soon and let it get that nice good cook. And all my, yes, see how nice that looking? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get the top and put on for all my first time viewers that wonder what that top is for. This is, when you're cooking, this is what the top is for. You want to put it on like this. Most of you already know how the top go on. You don't want to take the top off and put it on the back and let it drip all over this stuff. So the best thing is to do, take it off on the side. Or if you don't want to take it off on the side, take it off like this and put it down. If you take it off on the back, everything's gonna drip in the back and you're gonna short out something. You wonder why your Power XL might not be working no more. So you do it like that. I'm gonna leave the top on for a few minutes while serving, just like that, and let it finish cooking. But for all my first time viewers that's watching Mr. Bell videos and everything, wash the dishes as you go. While this is cooking, wash your dishes. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for your kids. Don't leave it for your roommate. Don't leave it for your friends, because the food is smelling good and everything, they might turn it down. If you wash it, everybody can enjoy the food and be happy. Tell you how delicious it was. I'll be right back. So we're gonna take a look at this together and everything, see how this coming out. See it's sizzling and everything. This right here, only take a few minutes. This right here is nice, good, and done. See how good that coming out. Let me just take some and let you see how good that is. Like I say, this is my first time doing these figs. I didn't have to add no water, just a little butter, a little sugar, and the rest of the ingredients. Oh, this is good. This right here is good. This, back in the day, we used to have this for our dessert. Before you go to bed with a nice good glass of milk or something like that. Eat this with some tea cakes or some biscuits or some rolls and put it in there. Now this is good. So I'm gonna let it cook a few more minutes and I'm gonna take it out. Okay, this is done. As you see, it's still circulating, never did get to the time, so that's fine. I'm gonna press cancel. I'm gonna unplug this. This is done. I'm gonna sit it right in this bowl right here, take this out. We're gonna take this out together. I'm gonna take it out while you're looking at me. It's not too hot for me. You know, sometimes Mr. Bell like to pick it up when it's hot too. So I'm gonna just take this out just like this and set it to the side. And let you see me pour it in this bowl, just like that. Looking nice and good. Looking good. And I'm gonna set this to the side. Set this to the side. As you see, like I say, you can do it on the stove or in the Power XL. Now that's looking nice and good, as you see. This is your cooked figs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it. Like I say, I have me some nice bread right here. I'm just gonna put it on some bread because I didn't make no biscuits or nothing. And I'm gonna see how this come out. And I'm gonna just saute this right on it. Put it right on the bread and get a little of that juice by it and everything. Looking nice and good. Look at that. Put some on this one. Like I say, this right here is a nice dessert. You can put whatever you want on it afterwards. But I'm just gonna test it out just like that. Put me a little more juice on it, because actually that juice is delicious. It's delicious as the bread. So I'm gonna put that like that, and I'm gonna take a bite of it. Let that soak in that bread like that. That is delicious. You should try it. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Mr. Bell have a lot of videos out there.